So I'm on my way right now to pick up my bonsai sensei. He doesn't like it when I call him master because although I think that he is, although I don't think a master ever is completely knowledgeable of every aspect and thing of bonsai, PHing, all of them. But anyway, I am picking him up and we are going to go to a class and we are going to try to shadow him a bit and learn. Okay, hope you like it. I'm taking you with me. You're hostage. So here we are at the Jodo mission. Look at that lovely lamppost. Ah, you just gotta love the way they style these things. So we're gonna take a walk up here. And look at some of their beautiful little places. Got some beautiful architecture. And then we're going to walk along because they have some beautiful little garden over here with some amazing sculptures in it, which, you know, I love me some rocks. Here's the front doors. Oh, lovely. Look at that scallop edging. Ah! That is magnificent. Mostly this one that I love. Look at that. What the heck is going on here? I mean, is it lava? Is it concrete? Did someone make it? What the heck? And it's good size. Yes. So here's our little garden with some azaleas. Stairs going up to more sections of this place. And the thing that I also thought was fabulous is, look at this, we have all these little stairs that go to nowhere. Old structures perhaps. And then over here we have a huge set of stairs that we cannot go up. They go to nothing. So here we are. We're looking at a variegated gumi.
But what you want to do when you're looking for plants, you want to look for taper. It doesn't matter how old it is. And a taper is from here to your primary branches to your secondary and to your thirds. And you want a lot of branching and you want it all the way to the top. So as you can see, this has a lot of secondary and third branching.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you want to look for when you're looking for a plant. You don't want thick branches on the top. You want all your thick branches on the bottom and work your way up. This is how you look for plants.
Okay,
And you
so
look
this
for-
is how we look for plants.
Yes.
The structure that we want.
Yes. From here, there's a lot of branches you can cut off.
So like this small one right here, I don't know if you can see clearly. Right here. This one is a water shoot. So that would need to come off.
Yes, if you don't cut this off, what happens is this part here starts dying back and this thing grows bigger because it's closer to the trunk. And next thing you know, it's going to be crawling into the branches.
I see.
You want all the branches to go outwards. And when planting the plant, your first branch should be either left or right. You don't want it, and you don't want a branch facing straight at you.
Okay.
So this is an ideal plant to look for.
Thank you. Okay, this is a dwarf variegated pyracantha.
Or firethorn.
Or firethorn. Or firethorn. And this one is about 12 years old
Yes.
and was taken from a cutting
this big.
Nice. These are fairly fast growers, right?
Quite slow. The other,
No?
but the leaves are small. Mm-hmm. And most paracanthus have berries on it. Mm-hmm. This one here has tiny white berries, but they have to get a lot older. And again, you have a lot of branching. You have a lot of secondary branches. So the more you pinch, the more it fills in. So again, you want a plant that has low branching and taper all the way to the top. You see how thick this is to the top, and the branching, the thickness to the top.
Got it. This one is a Shabo cypress.
And if you look low enough, you see the taper and the branches. Because there's no branches on this side, it makes more ideal as a shakang or a slant style.
Very nice.
So a slant style, you would minus this branch and then lower this and plant it in more of an angle. Mm-hmm. So when you're looking for a plant, don't just look at it, spin it around. See how it looks at different angles. We choose the other side as the front because all the branches in the back. And you need the back branches to keep it together. So you don't want any branches pointing straight at you.
Yes.
And this is a Camercypris, which is a fall cypress.
Thank you.
And you know the plant is healthy by you see a lot of these shoots going on.
Mm-hmm. And it's that lighter green color.
Yes.
Very beautiful. Okay, this is a Deodar Cedar. Just a little bit like a Snoopy's tree or Charlie Brown's tree. Okay, give us a learning experience for this little cedar right here.
This is grown from a cutting.
Okay.
Like all the others have been grown from a cutting. And what we want to do is we want to put more curves and bends into this. And all the new shoots, when it's healthy, has this blue tinge.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try to get close.
Usually in the mainland they love the blue atlas cedar, but the blue atlas cedar doesn't grow here, so we are stuck with the deodar.
We're not stuck with you there. We love you, Deodar Cedar.
And they grow quite fast.
Okay.
So we're going to be working on this later on to put some bends and curves,
Nice.
and you get to take it home.
Oh, nice. Thank you. So I'm gonna wire this one right here.
Sick when I talk to you.
Deodar Cedar. This is what we look like right now after we got done wiring and trimming. And that is the front of our plant. We're gonna walk up these stairs. And voila.